my name is Jenny and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is a Monday. Spend a work day with me as an admin assistant. I'm gonna do my skincare and makeup while I tell you about some facts about me. Kagabi, ang dami kong inisip kung anong sasabihin ko, pero ngayon parang nalimutan ko na lahat. I work as an admin assistant. Yung schedule ko is 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. So the reason why I'm vlogging is to document my mundane life or everyday life. I'm a very nostalgic person and gusto kong in the future mag-look back and just to humble myself. Sorry for the chickens. Just to humble myself na ganito ako nagsimula. Ang tagal ko nang di nakapag-vlog and I really miss it. And so, I am vlogging today. Usually, kung nag-vlog ako, yung silent vlog lang as I go on with my day. Pero ngayon, gusto ko mag-talking vlog. Kaya meron akong mic ngayon, okay? It's actually raining. Gusto kong magkulot, kaya nga meron akong sock curler. Pero, alam ko, the moment I step outside, mawawala to, magsi-straight ito. Okay, so time for makeup. I'm gonna do a speed run dito, okay? Concealer. Graphics. Foundation. Blend. Concealer again. Contour. Blush. Powder. Eyebrows. Eyelash curler. Mascara. Lip tint. Setting spray. Okay, that's it for my makeup. Hindi ko lang kung may nangyari dito. Okay, mag-hairspray ako sa buhok ko. Perfume. By the way, this is my fit check. I'm gonna go na, guys. Pupunta na ako sa office and this is my final fit check. Kalimutan ko yung process ko. Ako palang isa, guys. My corner. Final fit check pa pala. So, long sleeve na red. Tapos, black na pants. And sandal kasi muulan. Ayaw ko mabasa yung kaisa-isa kong sapatos. And, yeah. Hindi ako maglilinis ng buong office kasi meron kaming utility. Linisin ko lang yung place ko. I'm gonna like wipe the dust sa dust ko. My concern is yung wipes ko. Baka mamaya maubusan ako. Wala pang tao guys. It's currently like 6:50. Wala pa yung tao. Tapos lang ng flag ceremony. Nasa office na ako. I hope na ma-pick up yung voice ko dito sa mic. Kanina guys, sumagat yung throat kasi umubo ako ng umubo doon. Tsaka, it's just embarrassing. Ang kati. Lunch.
Namanya mau kami.
Oh. Sige to.
Ako rastro.
Transparent siya.
Oh. Sige lang. Hi guys. Hindi niyo ako nakikita pero sana naririnig niyo ako. Hindi ko lang ako nakikita. But I'm on my way. Ha? Pauwi na ako. It's already 6 p.m. Wala na talaga ako makikita. Ayoko mag, ng flash. Kasi nakaka-attract. Pero wala namang tao dito. Nakakahiya lang. Hehe. Bye-bye. I'll see you later. So, nakauwi na ako and I'm gonna take off my makeup, shower, and call it a day. So, I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for accompanying me and makita yung mundane day-to-day routine or work life ko. Isa sa goal ko this year is mag-upload frequently na sa YouTube. Kahit na at least like one video or one upload a month. So today is January 26. I will make sure na ma-upload ko ito before the month ends. So wish me luck. Yes. Anyway, thank you.
Legal.